On-balance volume, OBV, is a momentum-based indicator used in technical analysis to measure buying and selling pressure. It was developed by Joseph Granville and is based on the idea that volume precedes price movement. The logic is simple. When the volume on up days is higher than the volume on down days, it indicates accumulation, and prices are expected to rise. Conversely, when the volume on down days dominates, it signals distribution and potential price decline. OBV works by adding the day's volume to the cumulative total when the price closes higher and subtracting it when the price closes lower. If the closing price remains unchanged, the OBV stays the same. This running total creates a line that traders use to confirm trends or identify potential reversals. The strength of OBV lies in its ability to reflect the underlying force behind price action. For example, if a stock is trading sideways or slowly moving up but OBV is sharply rising, it can suggest that smart money is quietly buying in, and a price breakout may follow. Similarly, if the price is rising but OBV is flat or falling, it could indicate a lack of strong buying interest and a potential reversal. OBV is often used alongside price charts to confirm breakouts. If both price and OBV break above resistance, the move is likely genuine. But if price breaks out while OBV lags, the breakout might fail. Traders also look for divergences between OBV and price. A bullish divergence occurs when OBV makes higher lows while price makes lower lows. This hints that selling pressure is weakening, and a reversal could happen. A bearish divergence happens when OBV makes lower highs while price makes higher highs, signaling that the buying strength is fading. OBV is best used on higher time frames like daily or weekly charts for more reliable signals, especially in trending markets. However, it should not be used in isolation. OBV doesn't account for the size of price changes and can give false signals during choppy or low-volume periods. That's why combining OBV with other indicators like moving averages, RSI, or support or resistance zones can improve accuracy.